Oh no, we've all seen this before. But luckily, Philip Wolf and I came to save the day. Here we go again. What you guys saw in the beginning, that little SRM action, is Biolage color. It's completely works the same as traditional hair color, but it's plant-based, no-lift technology. As you see here, it's 3 parts water to 1 part color. We used 50 grams of our core shade clove brown with 150 grams of hot water. Water activates the dyes. And you see we're really mixing here. This is like a luxury service for the hair, you guys. A mud mask for the hair. Yes, it is henna. Cassia and less than 10% direct dyes. This is plant-based hair color that works exactly like traditional hair color. It is not your classic henna. It uses clean henna. I know what you guys are thinking. This is completely new technology. It's processed to remove all the metallic salts. It has none of those traditional henna issues, so it's completely compatible with traditional hair color, easily removed with lightener, and is true to fade and tone. Another is Cassia, which gives intense shine, 80% more shine, coconut oil 6 times smoother. As you see here, Philip cut after and is blow drying our lovely model Madison's hair, and look at that shine. We didn't even use a filler on this, you guys. We did a dye back on her. As you saw in the beginning, her hair needed some help. And we got this beautiful, rich tone in one application. It works the same as traditional hair color, except there's no MEA, no resorcinol, no sulfates, no PPD, you guys. But it's not only for clients looking for the natural option. We could have used this as a filler, but we didn't need to. You can blend 50% gray. My clients are getting 50% gray coverage with this, and it still maintains the integrity of textured hair during the color process, you guys. They have amazing toners that you will not believe. 10-minute processing. For gray blending, it's 30 minutes under heat and 15 minutes to cool. We did that here just to really fill her hair without a filler, basically, and give this rich color that you see here. Look at Philip doing his tricks there, thinning her hair out, making it beautiful, styling and curling. Madison was so happy with this color, you guys. This lasts up to 15 washes, but I saw her after about 20, and her hair was still really had, lightened, but was still fading, completely true to tone. This is a game changer, you guys. It's coming out in about a month, and I just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek. Look at this gorgeous color. Rich, beautiful. There's going to be 20 core shades, but you can mix and match to create endless possibilities with Biolage color. And there she is, feeling sexy, feeling herself. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the subscribe button for more videos coming soon. This is only the beginning, you guys. Thanks for watching.